Welcome back to Radio 314. This is Lana. Carolyn Dean joins us today. She's not only a medical doctor, but also a naturopath, herbalist, acupuncturist, nutritionist, lecturer, consultant, and author or co-author of over 30 books. Carolyn has been in the forefront of health issues for over 30 years.
Magnesium is necessary for 700 to 800 different enzyme reactions in the body, which means in order for you to go from one step to the next in a biochemical reaction in the body, you need magnesium. If you don't have magnesium, everything slows down. And that's from creating energy, the ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So if you don't have energy, you're low in magnesium. You're not depressed. You're not anxious. You're low in magnesium, and then it helps make proper protein in the body. There are 3,571 magnesium receptor sites on body proteins. They're just discovering that now. It's really going to make magnesium stand out as they're discovering this. It helps make RNA and DNA. It helps balance cholesterol. So it's a natural statin. It helps balance the blood sugar. People who don't have magnesium, one of the signs is for diabetes is this low magnesium level. It does everything, and it helps make the nerves function, activates nerves, and it helps make muscles function. It relaxes muscles in the sense that calcium tightens muscles, magnesium relaxes them, so they both work together. So our overcalcification in the last few decades of women taking more and more calcium supplements has really gotten them into a lot of trouble. And we've seen several studies of late showing that women who just simply take calcium supplements are at a much higher risk of heart disease, gallstones, kidney stones, breast tissue calcifications. We're way overcalcified.
If we're deficient in magnesium, what conditions can be associated with the deficiency? What would we feel?
From head to foot, it's headaches, even migraines. It can be esophageal spasms, heartburn. It can be any sort of muscle cramp or nerve twitching, like the little twitching you get in your eye, your eyelid sometimes. People will wonder what the heck is that? It's just magnesium deficiency. Constipation. It can be joint pain, any sort of muscle ache or pain, any sort of numbness or paralysis, insomnia, fatigue. It's head to foot, and it's scary because if a person with a lot of magnesium deficiency symptoms goes to a doctor, they're habitually misdiagnosed because doctors, as we started with, do not learn anything about nutrition in medical school. So they're not going to say, oh, all these are magnesium deficiency symptoms. For the acid reflux and heartburn, they're going to give a drug. For adrenal fatigue, they're going to give an antidepressant. For angina, they're going to give you 6 medications.
Yeah. And then you take these medications and then they deplete more minerals and magnesium. So it's slowly killing you off, basically, right?
Absolutely. And that, you've triggered another whole rant of mine. The different medications that drain magnesium, all of them will overutilize magnesium because magnesium is needed in the liver to help detoxify drugs. But what's even more scary is that there's a whole, not even class of drugs. Most of the classes of drugs now are using fluoride to make them stronger.
Wow.
And you wonder, what? They're using a poison in drugs? I mean, shouldn't that be banned? So, I mean, what on earth are we doing when we're giving a drug to stop arrhythmia that will kill the very mineral that will prevent arrhythmia?
Wow, that's just unbelievable.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Carolyn, thank you so much for your time today. It's all been valuable information.
Oh, thank you for having me. It's been fun. And, I know I sped talked through it, but there's just so much to say.
Thomas Edison said the doctor of the future will give no medicine, but will interest her or his patients in the care of the human frame, in a proper diet, and in the cause and prevention of disease. If your doctor isn't interested in this, then fire them immediately. Tune in next time for more on health as I speak with Melissa and Aaron of Truth Stream Media.